Apfel Dr. Germany, my name is Ben. Hello and welcome to the review show. And today in the morning, I just want to say thank you to Union Repair. They sent me a nice package with many nice tools included, just as a present, as a gift. And I want to show you what they mailed here. So just give me a second and I will show you some really nice things. We go straight to the on-hands camera so you can see that. So here we got a really nice opening tool for iPhone and iPad and Samsung. It just is really amazing because it's very thin. I don't want to do a review about that in this video, but I just want to show you that just get it at Union Repair. It's a nice tool. Then they mailed some magnetic mats. On the other places they are already installed. Thank you, Sven, for this. Just great. I will use it too. Then we got the new tool, screwdrivers. I already use it here at my table, and I can just tell you that that these screwdrivers are just really nice. I use them for about 2 days now, and I love them. They really work in a great way, so get them at Union Repair. Perhaps I will do another review only about the screwdrivers, but a screwdriver review is always how long should I do this video and what should I show you. The screwdrivers are great, just get them, just buy them, okay? So and now, and that's the main feature of this video, is the review for the new P11 module out of the house JC. It's sorry, it's a NAND reading module for the iPhone 8 until to the iPhone XS Max. This is BGA 110 programmer. You can read and write NAND data, and you can fix the sysconfig with that. You can read the sysconfig, you can modify, and you can rewrite. It's just really the newest NAND reader out of the house JC, and you know JC always gives you a great quality. Okay? So I want to unbox this. If you open it, what do you see? We wait. And what we see is a card. Okay, why do I need a card? And the new P11 module. Great. For what do I need that card? JC thought about their new product, and they know that many people don't have enough money for spending about 500 bucks for a NAND reader. So they said, okay, we can do this NAND reader much more cheaper, but you have to pay for reading, writing NAND and using sysconfig. So for everything you fix, you have to pay 1 credit. Okay, so you need this credit card. You get it with the programmer. You can use your card number and your password and pair it with the module. I will show it to you in this video, and after that you can use the module, and if the credits are gone, you can just charge them again. It's no problem at all. So you need, for using this NAND reader, you need the software, the JC repair tool. I just have opened it for you, or no, I need to open it for you because it's closed. So we need to open the JC repair tool. You can get it at the website of JC Repair Assistant, and then you can just register for that with your email address and your password, and then you can just start the software. And if you start the software, it will look like this. If you want to use the P11 module, just plug it in and then go to BGA 110. So And now you see here on the right side that a NAND is detected and a program is detected. I already got a NAND in it. Here, an iPhone X NAND. So if you want to use this programmer for the first time, for the start, if you buy the programmer, you get 300 points. You just need to get in your card number here at the left. only the only the number. After that, the password, and then add value. You have to connect the BGA 110, and it will charge the 110 with these 300 points. Okay. So to generate encrypted sysconfig data, a third-party AI service is required, and the platform will deduct a certain number for points. Okay, 5 points for each operation, not 1 point like I said before. Sorry. So if you generate sysconfig data and want to write them, you have to pay 5 points for that. Okay. The rest operation is free forever. So you can read NAND data, you can write NAND data, but if you want to do something with the sysconfig data, you have to pay for that. In my opinion, that's just okay. That's just okay because the reader only costs about $288 on union repair. That's nothing for a NAND reader. And if I can fix the sysconfig data and restore data in that way, why should I not pay $5 or 5 credits for that? That's just okay in my opinion. Okay, the software is like before. It's a normal JC repair assistant. You have to choose BGA 110. Then you have to plug in the P11 module. You have to charge your P11 module at first, and then you can just get in a NAND, and it will it will connect to the PC, and it will detect the NAND. So then you can just read the NAND data. Here you can see the serial and all you need for that NAND. Okay, gets this config info, and if you want to work on the sysconfig, you can use, I can show it to you here better. You can use this task in the middle. That's all for saving sysconfig, for modify sysconfig, or for writing sysconfig. And for that, you just have to pay credits. I think that's just okay, because we can now. I had a problem last week with an iPhone 7. The iPhone 7 came from a customer. The problem was that it was only showing the Apple. You could press the home button, you get a haptical feedback. If you do an update, it worked without an error. So most of the people would think, okay, it's an audio IC because I can hit the button, and okay. So we checked for audio IC, it was all okay. So the problem after long searching was the sysconfig data on the NAND. So we had to take another device, had to update it on the actual software, had to take the sysconfig data of this NAND, had to modify them and to write them on my other NAND on which I needed the data. Then I could do an update and the data were back. So don't think that system config data are not important. It's really important, and if the sysconfig data have an error, it could cause errors like only showing the Apple. I get haptical feedback of the home button, but I can't get the data because if I do an update, I don't get any error. But I can still hit the button and the phone won't boot. So these are things you can easily solve by just the system config. So it's a big point, and you can learn more about that at our Bottle and Repair School Germany or at other schools for repairing. My intention here is just to show you the new product P11 and how you can get it on the PC and how it works. So the only thing you need is going to unionrepair.com. On the top you have a search bar. You get in JC P11, then you choose the JC P11. You order it. You get this beautiful box with the JC P11 module and this card. Then you connect the JC module to the PC before you have to install the JC repair assistant in the actual version. It's 120022. You can download it at the website of jcprogrammer.com. After you got the software and connect the P11 module, you can install the driver. It's just easy. You go to BGA 110 and here driver install. You click on driver install and the driver will be installed. And after that, you can just charge your module with credits from the credit card, and then you can just use the P11 module and you can easily fix system config data. So that's all I all I have to say about this. It's not a big review about 30 minutes where I can show you thousands of things, because it's just a NAND reader and you just need to get the software, install the driver, put on the NAND module, get the credits on it, and you can use it in the easy way. So I want to say thank you again to Union Repair for this great gift. It's just an amazing NAND reader. I will use it every day, and the big plus point of this NAND reader is you can use it from the iPhone 8 to the iPhone XS Max, and in 2020 you can use it with 11 to 11 Pro without any problems too. So you only need one NAND reader for the modules from iPhone 8 to iPhone 11 Pro, and that's just great. Before, we needed a module for the iPhone X, a module for the iPhone XS and XS Max. The module for the X we could use for iPhone 8 and 8 Plus too, but we needed several NAND readers, and now starting from the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 11 Pro, we just use one module, the JC P11. Get it at unionrepair.com. I hope you like the review. If you have any questions, message me or message Grace Xing from Union Repair, or message Swen Shen, like you want. I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you, Union Repair. I'm out. Wish you a nice day. Boom! Back to life again. Yes, Ben.